Soon and very soon.
Yes, family.
Okay, let's look at this. Look at those pots over there. Those pots. And these are calabash. Call it calabash. Yeah. Some comes like a gauze. You know the gauze? Gourds. Yeah, gauze. Yeah. We have two types. This one is different. The gauze also is, but is in the same family. But this one, you can use it as a drinking cup. You just split it into two, remove the seeds in, leave it in the sun, clean it, leave it to dry, and then it's natural cup. One is big enough. People also use it as a water container. Sometimes it can become big. Use it as a water container. Thank you. Now the green, long things are what do you call? Ficus. They are ficus. And ficus is another form of a tree that it's birds that transmit ficus. It's birds. So birds go and eat from somewhere, and then they come there, and then drop the seed there, and it grows. Yeah. So someone will ask, how come that we have two types of leaves and it's just ficus? Yeah. It sits on it and it will grow. None.
Yes, family, we're taking a beautiful stroll to the Aburi Botanic Gardens. A lot of nature, a lot of
some people call it
beautiful plants, trees,
medicine. All is gone. It's very hard like this, covered, and then there are seeds in, and they use it for music. When it's dry, so they call it shakers. Yeah, shakers. You call it flamingo? Oh, okay. Okay, good. Okay, come this way. Oh. Is something that can kill me? Now, squeeze it and smell it. Squeeze it and smell it. And tell me what is it.
It's real nice. Vanilla?
Yeah. Just squeeze it and smell it.
Vanilla?
Squeeze it and smell it.
What are you doing? Perfume.
Yeah, squeeze it and smell it and see.
Is that the joy tree?
No, just squeeze it and smell it. What is it? What does it look like? What does it smell like?
Perfume.
Let me see.
Okay.
I did smell perfect.
Because I know that you have the Chanel tree.
Nail polish. Acetone.
No.
It's almost like a you because I've got citronella on my hand.
Huh? I want to say eucalyptus?
Messing up the
No.
Okay.
You came closer.
What do you say? Don't say it.
Okay, I will say smell. I mean, just squeeze it, and then if you don't squeeze it, you don't.
You won't squeeze it if you don't get the oil.
What? Lemon balm.
No.
sycamore.
No, sycamore is over there.
I missed that one.
Someone says it looks like a Mentos. It looks like Mentos. Now, this is what we use for mouth box. In Ghana, we call it camphor. Some people also know it as camphor.
Camphor.
Yeah.
Oil.
Camphor oil. So they don't get it from they don't get it from here, but they make a sign cut some piece of the tree and put a stick in there, so the juice come out of it, and that's what they use it for. Yeah, so that is the camphor tree.
He likes my yellow, that's what it is.